Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by this morning. We are so excited to show you guys everything we got going on. First and foremost, we had a beautiful sunrise this morning with fog rolling through the hills. It was incredible. On top of that, we had a gorgeous pecan slab we just finished flattening. You can see here we're hit it with a little mineral spirits to make the colors pop, but that's what that piece could look like if you bought it. It's $427, 10 foot, 8 inches long, beautiful piece. On top of that, this is the table base we are currently working on for our 10-foot long, 4-foot wide pecan dining table that you see right here. Top of that, Armin has started flattening some slabs for our bar top we're making. That's black walnut. That's about as beautiful as it gets right there, folks. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you can, comment, like, and subscribe. All of these things help us to be able to service more people and bless you guys with the things we're able to do. Thanks for stopping, and have a great day.